You want to get outside and see everything she has to offer? Like squirrels, bears, the black-yellow northeastern breasted warbler bird, this deer thing. They're all waiting for you. But before you head outside and experience everything that this great country has to offer, before you step out that door and into the wild, there's only one thing you'll need to do. Buy gear. Lots and lots of really expensive gear. Like this tent you'll use twice. $400 backpacks.
I'm so free.
This pad that isn't even comfortable to sleep on yet costs $72 somehow. Puffy coats.
Yeah, and it's filled with goose down.
A GPS watch you won't know how to use. Hiking boots that cost a full paycheck.